Okay, the next C6 principles being introduced by yours truly as best practices to be adopted or implemented by any security practitioner is cooperation. So, definitely, this is the fourth. No? Ito yung pang-apat among the C6 principles. And this skill is very essential in maintaining smooth operations within the security organization, especially when actively practiced and followed by all guards involved. So take note of that. Kailangan involved lahat. And of course, every member must have the ability to and willingness to work harmoniously with others. Hindi pwede yung kanya-kanya. Otherwise, hindi maganda ang output ng serbisyo. So, in other words, kahit napakagaling ang isang security practitioner, kung wala siyang cooperation, hindi maganda yung resulta ng trabaho. And according to English saying, to quote, be a team player. Alam nyo naman yan, laging nababanggit. Therefore, a guard must be ready to cooperate and support his or her co-guard, especially when situation requires. Kailangan yun. No? Although, alam naman natin that every guard has individual responsibilities. Alam naman natin yun eh. But still, kailangan ang mutual help with each other. Diba? Para ma-attain yung objective ng organization. And of course, kailangan ang effective supervision from team leaders or supervisors. So, take note of those. Importante yun. And in summary, cooperation among guards is made possible through proper consultation, communication, and coordination. Yun yung una nating natalakay. Therefore, you cannot perform a good cooperation if you do not know how to consult, communicate, and coordinate. So, kailangan tandaan natin yun. And in our next discussion, meron pa tayong dalawa na tatalakayin to complete that C6 principles.